We're back in the shack with our last area to attack. We're going to go from this to this. Next. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It definitely helps the channel. We're back out in the shop again today. Can't handle staying in the house for a couple days. Drives me absolutely nuts. So this section is the section that we are going to tackle today. There are motorcycle parts, there are car parts, there are manuals, there's various other items in here. What I got to do is go through this, separate it, stack manuals, stack parts, stack motorcycle parts, whatever I have in here, separate them so when it is done, I can go to the other areas in the shop, start boxing all this stuff up that I've made piles. Basically, if I find a part that goes to something, I put it over there, those are all the parts. I find something else here that goes in this pile. So I'm separating everything as I go so I can box it so it's all in the same container, not spread out, not mixed in. Separate everything so I know what's what. This will be the staging area, so it'll be all stacked. So I'll have car parts, maybe truck parts, motorcycle parts, this, that, and the other. So I can come in here and grab a couple of everything and out off to the house, list it, then I come out here and work and do. But that's my goal now. What I'm going to do every single day to get rid of this stuff from my father's that has been sitting here for 10 years. I am done with it. I got to get it out of here. So that's it. Basically, I got to start moving this stuff around, laying it out, figure out what I have, and reorganizing it so I know what's what. As I say, no more yakking, get cracking. I think I made good progress again today. These are all manuals. I have 4, 8, 12, 16 boxes of manual books, auto repair, parts lists, anything and everything you can think of. These are all personal items. All this stuff back here are all the car parts, and I have more on the other side that I'm taking pictures of, trying to list a lot of old Falcon parts, Cadillac parts. Oh man, I tell you. So now that I have everything separated, I got more boxes to break down, throw away, and then it's over to the table saw and going through my pile I got there. I got few boxes standing over there next to the table saw that are items I've listed. I got no place to put them, but they're for sale. I may end up putting some of the stuff right here that's for sale that I've already listed. Big items, grills, seats for the motorcycle, like motorcycle parts there. So yeah, a lot of stuff, but I'm making progress. And again, in the morning, I will add a few more items, but I can't have too many going at once because everything that I do list, I pre-package in a box, in an envelope, whatever. So when it's sold, it's already weighed, already packed, ready to go. I print out the label, slap it on, gone. So I think I can get up to maybe 35, 40 max. The ones that get maybe up to 5 views, I may end up dropping the price, especially on manuals, to a couple bucks. If they don't sell, they're going in the pile. Some of the vintage auto parts, I'm not going to drop the price on those. I know what they go for. I may drop it a few dollars to try to entice somebody to buy them, but I may let them sit for a while before I relist them. So it's going to be a long process, but now the main objective is to get the table cleaned off, get some of these other things maybe situated. Like I said, this is the staging area. maybe listed items go here, items to be listed are through all this stuff. Get all that area over there cleaned out, and then we can start making some projects. But at least I can pretty much pull a car in this side, not this yet till I get more of this sold or off. Actually, I think I can if I take all that stuff to the Salvation Army. So a couple more weeks, hopefully we'll be able to go back. If they're open, I can drop the stuff off. But for now, I got piled there, and basically that's just it. I don't want to rant too much. Short video. I'm just showing you I'm still out here getting things done, and we'll be back tomorrow. It's not going to stop yet. That's it for this video. Again, remember, hit that bell, subscribe, hit the notification button so you are notified when these videos do come out. I don't expect you to watch every single one, but check back every now and then, see the progress, and hopefully it motivates you. It is daunting, it sucks, but you know what? I have this huge sigh of relief that I'm actually making progress after 10 years. I hate to admit that, but it's been 10 years. And I did a little bit at the beginning, we did a few years, we did a little bit more, and it's overwhelming because there's so much. But it has to be done. I am sticking with it, and this is 2020. I just had it in my heart, put it upon me. I know this is my year to get these things done. And this is a huge, a phenomenal major step for me. That actually feels pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your check for your sanity. Get that mess cleaned up. It makes you feel good. That deserves a pat. See you next video.